Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Merilife and sign in. You need an active account. Once logged in, tap the profile or upload icon to start. Make sure the app has permission to access photos and camera in your device settings so uploads won't fail. If permissions are missing, grant them now and return. You do this because the app reads files directly. Without permission, it cannot attach images. Now that access is set, choose whether to take a new photo or select from your gallery and proceed. After choosing camera or gallery, pick the highest quality image you need. You can crop, rotate, and apply simple edits. Do that now to meet any aspect ratio or content guidelines. Make sure the file size and format meet the app's requirements. Oversized files may be rejected. Once edited, tap Confirm or Use Photo to attach it to the upload form. You do this to ensure the image displays correctly and avoids processing errors. When the app, tap Submit or Save to start the upload and watch the progress. Stay on the screen until it completes. Closing the app mid-upload can corrupt the file. Once finished, navigate to your profile or the relevant section to verify the photo appears correctly. If you don't see it, refresh or reopen the app. Troubleshooting tip: if upload fails, check your internet connection and re-enable app permissions, then retry. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.